welcome to Bethan's Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm over my allotment and I'm about to harvest my gooseberries, and I'm hoping I'm going to have enough time to do my red currants and black currants too. I'm up against it now as we're going on holiday in, tomorrow night. So I really want to get this harvest done before I go, because I don't think they'll be as good when I come back. I think they're ready for picking now. So let me show you what I've got to do. This is the red currant and black currant cage, and this is the gooseberry cage. Now I'm going to take the gooseberry cage down tonight, so I'm going to harvest them first, and then if I've got enough time I'll do the red currants. And I'll set you up on the tripod so you can see my progress. I'm now going to crack on with harvesting these gooseberries, so I'll show you my haul when I'm done as the light is going. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done tonight, but I'll let you know as I get on. I've just had an incredible crop of green gooseberries off one bush and a really pathetic haul of red gooseberries off two other bushes. I'll show you what's occurring. This is the green gooseberry pile, and that is the red gooseberry pile, and some of them weren't even red. They were ripe because they're squishy, but for some reason they didn't redden up. Maybe they weren't in the sunlight enough, maybe they were hidden. But look at the difference in the crops between one bush and those two bushes from the red ones. That's amazing. I was hoping to show you how I was going to harvest the blackcurrants, because I'm not going to take each individual blackcurrant off the bush. I'm going to cut the stem at the bottom, at the base of the plant. So I'm going to take the whole branch off where the blackcurrants are, and then I'm going to take them home and take them off the branch at my own leisure. And I wanted to show you that, but I'm afraid that we're losing the light, so I better get on and go and harvest the black currants and red currants, and I'll show you how I've done when I've done it. Apologies, I've had to come home because the light has gone, as it's about 10 o'clock at night, and I need to whisper a bit because my children are in bed, but I wanted to show you the harvest. So let's have a look. Here's all the black currants. I just need to strip them off their stems now. And here's the red currants I picked. And you saw the gooseberries earlier. So I just want to show you what the blackcurrant bushes look like. So join me over the plot tomorrow. Well, it was an epic fail on me making it back over to the allotment to do some filming. I did make it back over the allotment, and I took a couple of photos of how the blackcurrant bushes are now looking after I did my winter pruning, essentially, by cutting off the branches. But I wouldn't recommend everyone does it that way. I remember hearing on Gardener's Question Time a few years ago that is how they recommended doing it, and I thought, oh, that sounds really good, because if you cut off the branches of the black currants, then you're essentially doing your pruning, like I just said, at the same time. So I thought, well, that would be really good, because I would get rid of the old wood. But I'm thinking maybe my blackcurrant bushes should have been more established, because it was only the first real harvest I've ever had of them. It's kind of their second year of growth, and I'm thinking it might have been better if I'd have left them grow, left those stems grow for another year before cutting them off, and then I think the method would work. So I'm not sure if that was such a great idea, but it's done now. I'm doing this vlog from outside my tent in Jersey because we're away camping at the moment, and I thought I'd better finish off the vlog before I forgot what on earth I was talking about. But I'm gonna go now as my children are inside and they're being quiet so I can film, and I can see Anwen is trying to give me a packet of crisps. So I'm going to go now, and I'll see you all when I get back. Lovely job.